This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off Autostart on the LibreWolf web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the LibreWolf web browser opened up now. If LibreWolf is automatically starting when you start your device and you don't want it to, or if you want it to automatically start up when you start your device, the way to adjust that setting is to open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, I am on the General tab. And then right down here, the second thing down, open LibreWolf automatically when your computer starts up. If this box is checked, then Autostart is enabled. If it is not checked, then Autostart is disabled. That is how to turn on or off Autostart on the LibreWolf web browser. Thanks for watching.